All right, you guys, so here is the treasure chest. Look how huge it is. It's humongous. I know. This is it before I start painting. Here is all of the things that I've done before I even get a chance to paint. Wow. This has been an amazing journey. It has been, wow, one for the record books for sure. I have never, ever, ever attempted to make a treasure chest box, and this is a humongous treasure chest box. Whoa, that's all I can say about that. But I love it. I'm excited about it. I'm going to be able to put lots of things in here as a mermaid. And I can't wait to show you guys everything that I've done. This is not the finished project. I still have to paint. So, wow. Here it is. Here's all the work that I've done. Let me show you guys. Okay, so there it is. You guys can get to see it. Pretty huge. I made these knobs out of foil paper, as most of you got to see. There is the little key that I made, little wooden key. You pull up right here. It still gets a little bit stuck. That's okay. And this is how it opens and closes. Like, oh my gosh, it's huge. Here's the side of it. I have never created such a beauty. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's many, many layers to it. Like if you look on the inside, there's a lot of layers. I covered all the edges already with the layers that we already had going on. This is it before we start painting. But there is a lot of layers, you guys, like to the actual treasure chest itself, in order to give it its weight and thickness and beauty and all that good jazz. I hope you guys have been watching along the way, but I am so excited that I got to show you guys this little beauty. See if I can show you guys one more aspect of it. Sorry for